Hi there. Today I saw a CBC segment about refugee resettlement, and basically the gist of the article was that the government is going to stop funding hotels where they were putting up refugees, and that has caused a lot of problems. So I saw the whole segment. I'm putting a link just below so that you can also see it yourself. And here is my thought, and I want to check it with you guys. What do you think? Because there are a lot of perspectives out there, but I'm thinking that refugee settlement has to be about balance. Compassion for those fleeing persecution, absolutely. But also realism about what our cities and taxpayers can actually support. Take Toronto and Vancouver. These are two of the most expensive housing markets in North America. Residents here are already fighting sky-high rents and property taxes that have jumped about 20% in just 2 years. So why is it fair or responsible to bring large group of refugees to the very places where housing is already scarce and unaffordable? Cost of living is quite high in Toronto and Vancouver. Look around downtown Toronto right now. There are tent cities, growing homelessness, and neighborhoods that are struggling. If we can't provide safe and stable housing for the people who are already here, then how does it make sense to place vulnerable refugee families into that same broken system? That's not compassion. That's setting people up to fail. And let's not forget taxpayers. Families here are already carrying heavy tax burdens, high income tax, high consumption tax, and rising costs across the board. And specifically, in the last 2 years, the city of Toronto has increased the property tax by a total of around 20%. Unemployment is not low, and youth opportunities have already been squeezed by other immigration streams like the temporary foreign worker program, which has now been paused. Asking those same families to keep footing millions more for hotel stays is not a sustainable plan, and that's why the government has stopped it. Now, I don't blame advocacy groups for wanting to help refugees. That mission is important, but they are only looking at half the picture. True refugee advocacy should also mean putting pressure on governments that caused these crises in the first place, from where these refugees originate. If nothing changes at source, Canada becomes the safety valve every time, and that creates resentment here at home, or at least it creates a potential for resentment here at home. In the end, nobody wins with one-sided policies. Refugees end up in hostile or unstable conditions. Canadians feel unheard and overburdened. And what was once a generous and welcoming country risks becoming divided against itself. If we want refuge to mean something, we need a sustainable system, one that matches compassion with capacity. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments.